Ah. Oh, here's another one. Here's another one. That's a big old egg. Look at that. I think we're a big creature in there. Wild camping with too many dogs. 3 dogs. Sarah's coming. She's somewhere behind there. One thing led to another, and it's taken us forever to get out tonight. And now we just can't find a suitable campsite. So we're just wandering around this beach wilderness. That way I'm supposed to be going. And it's like 20 to 8. And I've got a tarp to set up tonight as well. So it's going to be a nightmare. So I can't do it in the dark. It's impossible. There you go. There's the path. Now where does it go? Those trees you're going to get to. Look. Wait, what lives down there? What's down there? Oh, some creature, is it? Been digging. Making his burrow. What's this plant? Looks like a climber, but it's got nothing to climb up. Sun's going down. Beautiful as it may be, this is turning into survival mode. Where the hell are we going to pitch? Look at it. No flat spots in Wales. Nice simple tarp setup, you might think, except look how tall it is. And also, human tent, dog tent. Look at that. So that racket. Camp set up, we're just chilling now. Will admit, I went mad on these 4 boys earlier. We were driving behind them and they chucked a can out the window and then something else out the other window. And there's 4 of them, like, bro, I was so angry. I thought this is a risk I'm taking here, but I went up and I was like, effing I'm blinding. How dare you chuck rubbish all over the gower, like. But yeah, luckily they just said sorry. I'm not, we're 4 of us, we could take this guy. Looks like I'm missing a tooth, yeah? Oh, what's wrong with my leg, Ez?
I don't want to eat them.
Oh, not in the sandwich, like?
Yeah.
What? My leg's not the best tool for this job, is it? What else we got? Oh, what? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh. No, 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 no.
Go away, Bodo. Away. Which salami do you want? Go away.
Probably a bit of each.
Eins.
All the sausage.
Zwei. Drei.
Nice. Look at that.
That's my sandwich.
I think we could double it up, do you reckon? Be a bit naughty, like. Yes. Salivating.
Salami.
This is mine, is that with the hole in it?
Yeah, well, you did it.
Well, I made the hole, I suppose. Rah.
Do you want a hug?
Yeah, nice. Sarah using her knives, that. Perfect. Oh, that. Perfectly chopped. This is the problem with multiple dogs. They all set each other off. What is it? There's nothing, you dimwit. Nothing. Nah. Ah. Do you want? Huh? Ah. Ah. Good old bold old man. Don't be jealous. Dog hair on. Oh, here's another one. Here's another one. There go. Your turn, sir. Hello. Good night, dogs. Morning. Very good sleep in the big old tarp. Dogs were really putting pressure on the bottom, just pushing against my feet. Them two dogs have never been camping before, so they just didn't understand the force field. So that is the result. Completely collapsed. Put loads of pressure on this. It's held up, luckily, because it's DD tarps. It's pretty strong. So he was led sort of there. You can see why it's been dragged down so much. And then freaked out this morning and spewed in there. So it's all fun and games, isn't it, Poppy? You're the veteran here. You know what to do. They'll learn, won't they? My uni gear needs repair. Went down on me twice in the night. And we just slept under this thin blanket, which is just enough. I was a little bit chilly, mind. I had my thermals on as well. It was alright.